In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and export a conversation on Slack. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can save a copy of your Slack messages for record keeping, reporting, or just your own reference. You'll need to be using the Slack desktop app or a web browser, and you should have the right permissions in your workspace, usually as an owner or admin, to access the export settings. Start by opening Slack on your computer. Look to the very top left corner of the window. You'll see the name of your workspace there. Click on that workspace name to open a menu. In that menu, look for the option called Tools and Settings, and then choose Workspace Settings. This will open a new tab in your browser with the administration settings for your Slack workspace, even if you started from the desktop app. Once the settings page loads in your browser, you'll want to navigate to the area where Slack handles data exports. Look for a section called Import, Export Data. Depending on your Slack plan and layout, this might appear under a security section or as a link toward the top right of the page. Click on Import Export Data, and then, within that page, select the Export tab. This is where you control what part of your Slack history you want to download. Next, you'll see options to set what you want to export. There should be a drop-down menu where you can choose a date range. For example, you might select the last 30 days, a specific custom date range, or your entire message history, depending on what your workspace allows and what you actually need. Take a moment here to think about why you're exporting. If you only need recent conversations, choosing a smaller range will make the export faster and the downloaded file easier to work with. When you're happy with your date range, go ahead and click the Start Export button. Slack will begin preparing your data in the background. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to longer, depending on the size of your workspace and how much data you requested. When the export is ready, Slack will send you an email notification at the address associated with your Slack account. Open that email and click the link provided. That link will take you back to the export page, where you'll see a ready-to-download zip file. Click to download the zip file and save it somewhere you'll remember on your computer. Inside that zip, you'll find your exported Slack data, usually in JSON format, which you can archive, analyze, or share as needed.